Today I'm going to share with you how to enter data and create graphs using Google Sheets. This activity was designed for students in grades 2 and 3, although any student can start here with a way to insert some data, put it into a chart, and then make it into a graph. So in this activity, the teachers and the students have already gathered some data. So they have provided a survey for students, and they've asked them a variety of questions. I'm just going to enter a question here that is, what is your favorite color? The students have already polled the other students in the class, so they're going to put their answer choices that they gave them multiple choice fashion through here. So they'll type in the answer choices they gave those students, and then they'll have their information based on the number of tally marks that each of them received. So the students will enter this data into the chart. Once their information has been put into the chart, and it's put into the spreadsheet, they can highlight the answer choices and tally marks and make sure it's in a blue box where it's selected. The next move for the students is to go up to the chart button and choose to insert a chart. They can also go to the insert menu and go to chart down the page here. We're going to choose this option here on inserting the chart. Right away, the spreadsheet will give you a variety of charts that match the data that you've selected. With a label, as if the colors red, blue, green, and yellow, you'll see at the bottom of the graph, and the numbers are going up the side. You'll be able to see this in pie form, bar graph, horizontal bar graph, or some line graphs as well. The students will choose the graph they want to use by pressing the Insert button in the lower left. After this has been selected, the chart will automatically just go into the spreadsheet. Most times it is a little bit large. They can always take it by the corners and adjust the size. By doing that, they can move this over and they could have a view of their chart information they've typed the data in and their actual graph. The other thing that the students might want to do is add a title for their graph, and that would be under the Advanced Edit on the tiny drop-down arrow in the corner. So we're going to go ahead and put in here favorite color, just so they can label their graph. This is helpful if the students have a number of graphs that are going in the same spreadsheet to have them labeled so they can go back and look at them. In this activity, I've also left a cell here that is highlighted that left a sentence for the students to describe what the graph is showing. The students can click here and tell us what they're finding in the graph. Green was the most popular color. Then you can have them type as many sentences as you'd like. By pressing return, the information goes in. I've formatted the cells for text wrapping, so that automatically will make this cell larger here for text wrapping. And I've adjusted the size of each row here on the sides here. So I was able to make those changes. I created this template and then provided it to some teachers in 2nd and 3rd grade. You are welcome to also make a copy of this. I will put the link to this template. And as a teacher, if you want to save this for your own use in Drive, you'd say File, make a copy. Then you can share this with your students in Google Classroom or in Schoology by giving them a link and allowing them to be able to make a copy for each student. This is the quick and easy way to put data in a chart using spreadsheets and add some graphs. Let me know if you want some help with your students, and I'm happy to come in the classroom and work with you to show them how to use this.